doesn't look all that scary.
Wall supports are weakened. We need to get out of here. Quickly.
Well, yeah, I wasn't proposing we buy a townhouse and move in. Ugh, too many dismembered bikers. Plus the crumbling ceiling sort of kills resale. And no curb appeal.
Yes, a real fixer-upper.
Man, I don't think I've ever been so happy to hear such a terrible joke.
Thanks, Gray.
Do they really, like... Are they self-aware? Because, like, everything is a terrible.
What the fuck was that?
Just keep moving.
The story so far is that Ishii has a brain chip that is really evil, but if you make jokes, then you're fighting back against the chip somehow. That's like lore or whatever.
Is it
There's
really?
lore in this game?
Yeah.
There's lore in this game.
Look,
Okay,
look,
good.
this game has hella lore, but it's all conveyed in a natural manner.
What did I tell you? Shut your gob and run! Gotta find a way out ASAP!
Nothing. We're sealed in. There's a door over here. Move, move, move!
Holy shit! That was damn close! Need to get some pads for my ass. Old gal wasn't built for that much abuse.
I'm not interested in quantifying how much abuse your ass is built for. Get moving.
All final echo in the region. Commodore in need of backup. Hostiles have surrounded camp. Proceed with extreme caution. The dam is swarming with locals. All other final echo, proceed to CEO's location.
The broad signal's coming from that dam.
A jump ship for Serrano will be en route. If we're going to find a way on, we need her to lead us to. We need her alive.
Alright, then let's go get her alive.
Like, yeah.
No, you don't get any points for shooting birds. I just felt like doing it. See if there's something.
Wow. Should have
Like,
named it
if you could
Duck Hunt.
actually hunt the birds.
Should have got points, named it Duck Hunt.
Yeah.
You're doing better with those jump cuts now.
No, I'm not. I've always been doing good.
How you holding up?
The pain is immense. The AI logic. It is constantly seeking control.
Hold it off. Just keep it together.
So, we can see two trees here that are not afflicted by the disease, but you can kind of see, like, the first stages of it kind of afflicting that one
I
tree.
was not aware that Gray was into botany.
No, he's not.
Nice view. You want to make out? Just two gruff, military-hardened dudes sitting in an elevator, snuggling out their woes in a totally hetero way. Ah, that's a nervous chuckle. Either your human side gets the joke, or your computer side likes the way I look in these pants.
Or a little of both, perhaps.
Hey, I'm not judging. I'm just a good-looking man.
Look, this is from the same company that made Gears of War. They know how gay it is.
Holy shit!
Totally different gang, picking up a strange cellular composition.
Dear God, they've mutilated these other gangsters! Damn, it ain't happening! Greedy bastards like to hide. Watch out, these fuckers are fast and crafty.
They reveal the true ending of Shenmue 3.
No, I literally do not know what you're talking about. Like, not joking.
He made Unreal.
I literally do not play shooters ever.
He is literally, oh god, I can't remember her name now. John Romero. He is literally John Romero if you know John Romero was successful.
Wow. Are you saying that John Romero is not successful? With
John
such
Romero
hits
is a
as-
god.
Such hits
It's
as
just that-
Daikatana.
John Romero is a hair beast with
He's a hair beast from the hair
with an
dimension.
attached human that just happened to make Doom 2 really good.
ARB.
You know it's true.
I mean, yeah.
He's got fabulous hair, okay?
Oh, you're gonna play some soccer.
I think you'll find that it's called football.
Yeah, but I'm not European, so
But it's called football.
no, it's not.
See, the reason why they call it football in the Europes is because they
You
play
apply
it
the
with
foot
their
to the
feet.
ball.
Yeah, that's dumb.
But touch ball and touch egg.
I mean, hand egg is probably the best name for football.
I love it.
It really is a great name. I haven't heard hand egg in forever.
So, I hadn't been doing well enough for my taste, so I felt like taking this along for the next fight.
And
You
the rest
know.
of the video is you trying to get it up the stairs.
Are you trying to give like the enemies E. coli from having really bad?
Hot dogs are
So-
great.
Hot dogs are great, just not from cart dogs.
No, yeah, they're even better.
Good kill. One sniper means a dozen. Keep to cover. Upper platform.
Come on, give me a target.
It's less fun than the other parts of the game, but it's still more fun than a lot of other games.
Okay.
Oh wait,
So you can clearly tell
you can steer the
I
bullet.
shot that guy in the head.
Yeah, you
That's
did.
not a headshot, apparently. Yeah.
Wow.
Dude, look,
Yeah.
look at you, fucking, you know. Are we playing Bulletstorm
And then
or are
I-
we playing Wanted here? Curve that motherfucking bullet.
What is wanted? I don't know.
Want you don't know what wanted is?
Confused. No.
Oh,
Okay.
it's the most tremendous.
Is that a game where you shoot guys in the butt? By the way, you get more points for shooting guys in butts.
It's not a game. It's a comic and a movie, I think. About.
It is the most tremendous movie.
It's definitely a good
Okay.
movie. For a varying amount of good, but
Daddy!
you should see it. It's about a guy who can curve bullets, and it's got Morgan Freeman in it as the bad guy.
Does he shoot guys in butts?
No,
Damn it.
I mean, yeah,
What a waste.
yeah, I know. But he curves.
kind
the
of like-
bullets.
It's kind of like gun kata porn if it was somewhat realistic, but not
Oh, and
really.
They decide to kill people by reading a blanket that they read.
All final echo. This is Commodore. I'm overrun and out of ammo. It's been hours since I heard a report. Send confirmation. Or I'll assume I'm all that's left.
They get their hands on her, she won't have long.
Nope, we're on short time.
His voice is good in anything, and he makes an excellent bad guy.
Hey, check out these boats. These are cool boats.
Yeah, they are cool boats.
I fully upgraded the sniper rifle, well, as far as we can. And I just want to take a minute, check their center stage. The people we are shooting right now do not have balls.
What?
I repeat, the people we are shooting right now do not have balls.
Oh, man.
What?
This is the reason a lot of people are miserable with the coming fights, because
Mother of shit. Scumbags deserve it. Still.
More snipers.
yeah, so you're forced pretty much to shoot him in the butt.
I mean,
Or the head if that's your inclination.
I think you should shoot
But-
everyone in the butt.
I try. It's difficult, you know.
So-
Sometimes
Wow. Butt
sometimes
shot.
they're just poor targets, okay?
So when it turns red, does it mean like it's auto homing onto them? Or
No. It means that I'm restricted to an area immediately around them. If I stray too far out of range from the red guy,
Can you slide up steps?
I lose control. You can, but it's really slow and it goes only so far.
Too far off. Use the shot visualizer. Kill them all. I need time to work on the bridge.
On it.
For this guy, because it's an indicator for a guy is there. I can only angle a shot like somewhat towards the guy. If I like try to angle it at the guy to the left, I just can't.
Sleep tight, pretty boy.
As separate skill shots, but only for specific guns. Isn't that great?
That's kinda... Sniper rifle, I don't want to call them achievements. Skill shots don't sound super fun.
Not really, no.
Not
It
for the
seems like the sniper
rifle.
rifle's out of place in this game.
It kinda is. Like, they specifically have to make areas where it is useful rather than just making it situationally cool for other areas. So, check this guy out. This
Okay.
guy, he just went out of view. And then Ishii decided he's had it with my shit.
Killed enough people, Gray. It's time to cross the bridge.
Basically, yeah.
So now you're done with the sniper rifle, right?
Yeah, I got the shotgun out because it's so much better for this fight. Oh man. It just feels so much better pushing people into things.
Oh, I was gonna say, is there a thing for kicking someone in the water? And there is!
Of course, because there's...
God, shocker, fly swatter. Oh boy.
Now see, here's where the video.
Double shirt ain't getting back up.
This is so much better. By the way, I don't know if it's a bug, but if you explode a hot dog cart, things close to it just gain anti-gravity for no reason.
That's a feature, not a flaw. That's how hot
Yeah,
dogs
but it gets weird later on.
I think we're good. Let's find a drop box.
Check this guy out. Who plays Terraria in the year 2015?
Some nerd that
Oh,
you're
because
friends
that new update came out. I'm gonna date this.
Yeah, but there's always new updates for
Yeah,
that
but
piece of
somehow
shit.
it'll make it awesome or something. I don't know. Terraria is horrible. Don't play
I'd rather
Terraria.
I'd rather play 10 million, and I do not even know what it is. So this is how you use the flail gun. You tie guys up,
Oh boy.
and then you launch them into environmental hazards.
Oh boy.
Nice. How do you get sadist?
By launching a guy into an environmental hazard while he's tied up.
Oh, that's mean.
that makes sense.
Yeah,
That
that's
adds
just
up.
free 50 points for doing basically what you do anyway. Like, check this thing out. Both of those guys got kicked by nothing.
Man, get kicked. Get
Yeah.
kicked.
Get kicked. Alright, these mutant guys, they can't be kicked or
Whoa, what?
leashed
Wrong.
unless you prepare them in a certain way.
Everything can be kicked. Everything.
No, not these guys. You have to slide into them, otherwise they just...
That's still a form of kicking.
Yeah, but it's not stationary kicking, which is
Lamer
otherwise
anyway.
it's a very useful form of kicking because it launches guys forward.
Yes, but
Yeah,
This
like
I don't know.
Good.
If you could do like the Mega Man slide into people's faces, why would you not?
You've been hiding, haven't you? Naughty, naughty.
you get more force, you get more thrusts.
I was gonna say presumably because the laws of physics say you literally cannot, but I don't know. What are those
Hey,
things?
say hello to bugs.
cute.
They're electro bugs or whatever. You can kick a guy into those bugs and they'll die.
You got a thing called exterminator.
Yeah.
Your civic.
Hope that gal can hold her shit. I mean, what are we gonna do if she bites it?
What will we do? We'll die, Gray. She's our only path to Serrano. Our sole means of escape.
Yeah.
And you
No, I
get
mean, like-
gamer score.
Collectibles in
Gamer
general. I just
school.
kind of thought this was one of the kind of.
There's news bots, bottles, and swarms. Say hello to the charge shot for the headhunter.
Do.
It makes the bullet very, very explosive.
Okay.
How explosive is very?
Scale of 1 to
Just
10.
trust me, it's very...
All final echo. This is the shop steward. I'm overrun. Proceed to Serrano's location for evac. Do not attempt rescue. Hostiles numbering in the hundreds. God, they're coming back. Somebody give me a nice memorial tribute.
Damn it! Come on, gotta move!
Isn't that cool?
I guess, whatever.
Guess?
I want to see this
I missed a
exploding
bottle.
bullet.
Oh, that's later, sorry.
Lame-o.
This area isn't really good for it.
Pump action.
Yeah, you get it for launching a guy, well, shotgunning a guy after taking him, I think. I'm terrible at this area.
You're terrible at this game. It's okay.
No, fuck you.
It's okay. Trust me, it's okay. We all know you'd rather be playing the game that Bulletstorm is based off of, Necrovision.
Oh yes, Necrovision's amazing.
Yeah, that game also...
By the way,
features
check
a-
out my partial Let's Play of Necrovision
No,
out
don't.
on YouTube
Don't.
right now.
Do not. Do not.
You hated that game so much.
I hate,
Terrible.
I have no idea why I forced myself to play it that
Because you're a
far.
big fat dum-dum.
Well, I wanted to show Biblecorn that no, it's not a good game, and that he liked it because he has bad taste in games.
We
It had
already knew that.
potential.
We already knew he had bad taste in games.
Someone's cooking this stuff? Unbelievable. I don't want to know the recipe. Signal's getting hot. Target's close. She's a few floors up. Okay, get military. Got a fight waiting for us.
Ever?
Why not?
I don't wanna.
Why not?
It's not my type of game.
It's an awesome game. You should do it.
No.
Empty. The signal's mistaken.
No, she's here. Ambush! Walk right into this.
Fight skillfully. We may get blocked out.
For the thumper, in case you hadn't used the thumper a whole lot before.
What was he gonna say?
Thump attack.
Yeah.
God, that is just really awesome.
Yeah, this area is incredibly difficult if you do not use the thumper, but also, something some people might miss is that if you can just put the thumper pretty much anywhere you aim, and you can, or like you can use the leash anywhere.
Oh, hells yes!
Thumper there, and it'll put down a nice
Yeah.
area of effect.
This is great. I love
Yeah.
the skill shot. Premature.
Oh my god. Rifle should be all the time.
Yep, I agree.
Like
Loader.
everything
Ooh,
would
Totally.
pop
loader.
that just. Oh my god.
I love
By the way, you missed
Let's find a real fight.
skill shots. Floater.
Yeah, I wanted to know what it was
Just-
for.
You can see there's like one of the places where the reservoir flows out of the dam. If you launch a guy into there, because there's no fish, there's a separate skill shot just for that water.
Oh,
Oh.
that's great.
Isn't that nice?
That's- They thought about it and then they made it, and that makes me happy. Why
It,
couldn't
it's also lore building.
I
It's
don't
world
care about
building
the
is what it
lore. I
is.
just wish more games did it like that.
Yeah.
People
I'm just
can
saying, it's a good way to build lore without having it in your...
Sneaky little turds! God.
actually really is pretty clever.
Yeah.
It's like people can fly really love making their games. You could tell they do. And it's just I feel like the sniper rifles all like the Cliffy
That
B
might
being
have
like,
been Clippy B, yeah.
yeah.
still do not know who that is. Should I do research on this?
He's a fucking jackass. Is basically
Well,
all
that's
you
what
need
I'm
to know.
getting.
He's the guy who lets, he was also in that one GDC video where he told Sakaguchi that he was fired.
Oh no.
You know, for Mega 64?
Nope. Literally,
I should show you those videos.
Come on! Not much time left!
zero things about video games. I like
Okay.
board games, and I like Dungeons and Dragons style
Oh,
games.
oh! He is also the guy who can inform you about who created the Rockin' Bullwinkle party game.
It's a fucking weirdo. Sounds like a real fucking weirdo.
He is. Really, I just like pointing out the cameos he does in those GDC Mega 64 videos.
There! We have to get her out! Now!
So, there's a soldier lady who apparently needs our help.
Whoa, this game's progressive. There's a soldier lady.
Yeah, there's a soldier lady. She's one of my favorite characters, actually.
Yes, I do.
I bet
I
she
do know
is.
some stuff about this. I watched someone stream it. I was in their stream, and I do know about Soldier
yeah.
Lady. I'm excited about Soldier Lady.
Yeah, we're gonna meet her, and you might grow to appreciate the nuance put into her character, but not right now.
I'm looking forward to
I do
this.
know she's a strong female role model that all little girls should follow.
She is. So, there's a skill shot for stopping a guy
my
and shooting him.
Oh my god, that was awesome.
That's
I
amazing.
know, right? This is a good area because it's really difficult, but it has a new skill shot for you. Man toast.
Mentos.
Man toast. I accidentally refuse to kick guys normally, except for that, into the fire. But
Oh, they're all
really, I
toasty
just
now.
wanted to show this area is really good.
Who's
Pile
Pile
driver.
Driver?
Shooting a guy downwards somehow. I don't know.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
think
I
that'd
wish
be
more
easier to
games
happen?
had skill shots.
Right here!
I've been thinking about buying the club because apparently that game has something like skill shots.
Like, I'd play more shooters if every time I did something, a little thing popped up. Like Man Toast, Pile
Yeah.
Driver. It's just like,
Topless.
yeah, exactly.
It's
like,
because his top literally does not exist anymore.
right? I mean, that would be fun. I'd definitely play more shooters.
Still want my shot! Touch, you piece of shit! Hope it was worth the wait.
Wow, nicely done.
Yeah? Fuck you!
You know who we are?
You're the suicidal limp-dick retards who tanked us.
Easy down.
Dead Echo. Broken down piece of shit outfit went sideways and killed about 10,000 men, women, and children.
10,000 innocent. You hear that, Ishii? 5,000 more than last time.
What kind of idiot play was that? So wildly outclassed. Why didn't you morons just warp out?
We didn't have a choice. With the Confederate price on our heads. Had to take Ulysses down before...
Hey!
Stay cool. Let's keep talking.
Where is the evac point? Are you going to help us?
Whoa! Knock it off. We all want one thing. Off this rock. This place is far too treacherous for you to survive alone, sister. We help you get to the evac. You help us get off-world. That's the deal.
Fine. But if either of you touch me again, I will butcher you. Let's go.
Hey, calm the fuck down. I get it, we can't trust her. But we do need her alive.
I do not trust either of you, and I will not hesitate to gun down the first who betrays my confidence. I'm sorry.
Okay. Good. Let's head out.
Understood.
Damn fine mess.
Man, why can't
Also,
his head just
I
be
went back
so...
to check, and yeah, that guy, he did. As in, he.
Ladies first.
Most people
I
die
don't know why they censored that. It's weird.
not having a head.
Crap. What kind of sicko does this?
Crypts and skulls are at war.
Skulls?
Human gang. Stupid tribal tattoos and a lack of imagination. No food left, so the skulls treat the creeps like cattle. Creeps want payback, always looking to massacre any humans they find.
Dude. Okay, if I'm not European, no, if I'm not European, then how come I had to buy a physical copy?
Damn, it's full blown.
Not a bad thing. They won't be focused on us.
They're gonna be. Only way out of here is through that.
A lock on people buying this game, and apparently that's a good thing because the physical copy works way better. So
Yeah.
check this axe guy right there. I blew him up and he was in the foreground. That guy is there just to get you out of this perch. He is the only melee guy who exists until I go down those steps. And his only purpose is to go up them, cross that border, and then melee you.
Cool.
So
Yeah.
look at you breaking the scripting.
No, not really. It is like there's no scripting behind him. He's just there to organically get you off balance if you're taking your time sniping.
I think these guys should have nuts. Why aren't you shooting them in the nuts?
It's not the time, okay?
It's not the time.
It's not time yet. It's all in due time.
So yeah, why is this whole planet like a hellhole? Is that explained yet?
That will be explained later.
Is it because it's Borderlands world?
No.
Okay.
It's a similar reason, but no.
They're mining iridium.
Look, it's a spoiler.
4 more dicks down.
The story to this game, even if it is super cheesy and weird.
Fine.
It doesn't have to be like a good story. Doesn't have to be
Yeah.
not cheesy.
I thought this fat guy was dead
Oh my god.
because I literally gave him the news bot.
I wish, the only thing I can say about this is I wish Gray had like more one-liners for when he did shit. Like when he kicks a news
Me
bot at
too.
well, when you kick a news bot at a guy, he should say shit like, "I've got news for you," or
Well,
read
if you
this
do
in the
kill a guy,
obituaries or something.
if you do kill a guy with a news bot, you get the skill shot killer news.
Good.
Oh,
That's
okay.
good.
Also,
I'm-
now starts the quest for dick shots or nut shots, whatever.
Yes.
I'm a child.
Me too. This guy somehow flipped over, so I couldn't shoot him in the dick.
Yeah, I just want more like one-liner, action hero one-liners. It's like
Yeah,
5
me
for
too.
every weapon or whatever.
Yep.
But like for like skill shots, like if you hit the Nutcracker, he just starts humming a tune from the Nutcracker. That'd be great. That made me very.
Maybe
very
for the
happy.
sequel, which is very possible right now.
Wait.
No.
Serious?
Yeah, People Can Fly, they split off from Epic Games,
Good.
I think like 2 weeks ago, and they took the license for this game with them.
Oh, nice.
So when you get premature, excuse me, when you get premature, he could say that's a premature evacuation. That'd be great.
Whoa.
That'd be great.
I like the idea, but I think like if there's not enough lines,
Yeah, no, they should
Then
only happen
you get-
every once in a while, and there's like,
Ishi, take point! I'll keep the broad close to me and safe.
I was doing pretty swell before you and Cranky the Japanese robot man showed up.
His name's Ishii.
Yeah, double swell. I'm Trishka.
I'm
Grayson
great.
Hunt. You're what I was trained to avoid becoming.
But in my face, holy god.
Fucking dogs. They're way too
Only
cute
cats
for their
can
own
do
good.
that.
He's a
No,
German Shepherd.
there are
male.
dogs who pretend to be cats.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
dog,
They're
cats
rare,
that
but they
protect
do
dogs.
happen.
this dog's pretending to be a dog. Oh, Bubba. Let's
This is a cool area.
Yeah.
Like, I love it. You're just outside a dam right now.
But I think you've already posted some spoilers, though, Joe. I mean, you're saying that there could be a Bulletstorm 2. That means there's room for a sequel.
Well, duh. This is a game made by. This is a game published by Epic Mega Games. Oh wait, it was published by EA, so that's like double reason.
And my favorite game by EA is Mule. Has the most the best fucking opening theme, obviously.
Man, I loved EA back when they were indie.
Hey, yeah, remember when they had like that cool artistic logo and
Yeah,
all their covers
That's
were
square,
just like,
circle, and a triangle.
yeah, but like the covers for EA games used to be gigantic, and like all their games came in record sleeves.
And I remember a little indie gem from EA. It was called Mass Effect.
Only way forward is through these wheels.
Great. Let's move.
Really good. You play Commander Sherpa. And
And you make your mass erect.
yes.
It's
It's
that
like
one
a
joke.
Leader Suit Larry but in space.
Yeah, that's a pretty accurate description.
Yeah, I know. I
Now that I think
said that.
about
I
it.
said that, and it's disturbingly accurate. You can Commander Shepard can literally fuck anything.
Mm-hmm.
He fucks the ship at one point. It's really weird.
Wait, I thought.
That's an awful big noise.
What do we do?
The
I
green
you know what?
set free.
Okay, okay. I
I-
just want to point one thing out. Okay,
Alright.
her line of sight is on that thing. It's so very, very focused on this one thing.
Yeah.
That means she is probably.
Careless idiot! That's a magnetodynamic generator. The armature's current could blow this entire dam to shit.
Got the job done. Come on.
The rotors are dislodging.
I don't know if this is a bug or a feature.
What?
There was some manner of subtext to be derived from this, but really,
No, you're looking
she
too far
wanted this to
into
happen.
this. You're looking too far into this game about shooting dudes for cool.
Yeah,
Skill shots.
I think that's just like, hey, she's looking forward, and that's just kind of.
No. Her line of sight is always on that thing. I did testing.
God, you fucking weirdo.
Seriously?
Look, I take this game very seriously.
I
It's a
mean,
very
like,
unserious game that is pretending to be dumb.
Yeah.
This game
Holy
is
crap,
smarter than I thought it was. All this time I
It
thought
is.
it
We're
was
gonna call you
nut
research
jokes
indicates.
God.
No, I'll have you know, I am actually suspicious dish.
Oh my
I'm
god.
a bit suspicious about that.
You set that second generator off, we're done for.
Hey, last one went down just fine.
Stupid asshole!
Go, move! You can complain about how I saved you later.
Yeah, I know.
That evil leash thing. I forgot what it was called again, but like that
It-
thing that it has its own AI.
Yeah, and it scans your brain.
This is what Gray really wants to do, so let me facilitate that shit.
I don't think so.
I'm imagining that's how it works. Oh my god.
Also, yeah, I like that shot.
Oh.
Holy shit!
What did I tell you?
What's the plan?
is your plan?
We have to go!
Ah, to hell with it. Roll the dice!
Vultures!
It's coming down!
More vultures! We're sitting ducks! This is your idea of a better plan?
Wanna shit the bed? Wash the sheets.
No, 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 no! Hold on!
I certainly didn't think you were gonna play Binding of Isaac.
And I love Binding of Isaac. I will play the shit out of Binding of Isaac.
It's a shit
Just
game
throw-
for
No,
people who have bad taste in games.
pretty fun. You're pretty wrong.
No, it's a pretty bad game.
No.
Look,
Yeah.
it's no Mass Effect, though. Let's be honest, Mass Effect would have been a lot better if they had a romance option for Legion.
I mean, yeah, but that's Mass Effect 2. And
Like,
oh, Legion, your CPUs
I will say
are
one
so
thing.
warm. Let
I
me
will
help you
say
cool
one
them down.
thing. Binding of Isaac is a bit sexier than Mass Effect.
I mean, yeah.
Of course.
I make
Also, apparently this video is over, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to
Please.
Who's Hot Right Now.
Please remember to like, comment, and kill yourself.
Like, comment, and kill yourself. Yeah, that's right. That's good.
No, it's not. Cut out all my
It's
audio,
never good.
thanks.